In this video, I am going to teach you how to join Kick Partner program. So in order to join your Kick Partner program, you need to head over to streamer.kick.com/partner and you should be able to see this. Head over and click onto this apply now option. And then once you have clicked on it, you will be prompted to the next screen wherein you can actually apply in order to join their Kick Partner program. So you can select an application to use a mail to link this because you need to actually send an email in order to do this. I'll choose in here my Google Chrome and this will prompt me to open the actual Google Mail and send in there an email. So as you can see right here, you need to have the actual streaming requirements. So you need to have a filled out profile with relevant links and meet minimum viewership and streaming requirements. You need an average of 75 live concurrent viewers in the past 30 days and have streamed for at least 30 hours in the past 30 days. You need to apply via their email right here. So that's why we are prompted to the actual Gmail. So just head over and then ensure that your Kick channel is verified as well. Set up your profile. Make sure that you have good viewership and streaming hours, and also input their application using the email. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.